if you not do certain things, me I tell, no man can't tell me nothing, no woman can't tell me nothing, no government can't tell me nothing. Them know too, that's why enough of them left this place of God seek better life out there in our world. Welcome again, my viewers and subscribers. We're talking about why people leave Jamaica. Why many people leave Jamaica and go abroad to make a better life. Enough people don't come like them, no realize why people left Jamaica and go abroad go seek a better life. You see me I say? And if you make it in Jamaica, just like that, it's not an easy thing. You have to do something. You have to in some music thing or some construction thing. You have to have the link or the source towards certain things in Jamaica, and it's still difficult when you have all them things, because why musicians them seek overseas market. You know what I mean? Why when people even work as a contractor or as a man on a construction site, they want get the opportunity to even go foreign, go do them type of work than to do it at Jamaica. Why people even rather work on garbage truck a foreign more than to work on garbage truck at Jamaica. Many things where people that go foreign go do, them not do it a yard because it don't make no sense. Because it's difficult for you to make it at Jamaica, you know. To pay your bill them and survive in this, you know, because the money no value nothing, you know. You know what I mean? When I man did that grow up, a whole heap of strength man get, a whole heap of opportunity man get when man did that grow up. And it seems like man could have make it out here in a yard and them thing there. Based upon the little money we are making. The opportunity will come across I man. Whole heap of little thing could have gone. But me never have no family or certain responsibility for me at them time there. So it seems like it could have worked. But as soon as man grow old and responsibility start added on, realize the little money we are make a yard and the opportunity we man get. Them opportunity they're small, weak. Only can survive, only can give you the opportunity to live for a while. Pay a little bill them and make sure you say no hungry and can wear clean clothes and you surrounded nice and empty there. I them small opportunity they alone, they there. You know what I mean? When you feel like life can make a Jamaica. Otherwise from that, you can't save $1 million so easy a yard, you know. You can't make 100,000 so easy a yard, you know. Unless there's some scamming thing or some illegal things you gotta do to make money in Jamaica. But if you make it normally, if you gotta work 9 to 5 and them little thing there, enough people know say I just survival while them do it. But if the opportunity comes for many of them left Jamaica to go seek better opportunity out there in the world. Because if you make it in Jamaica, it's not easy. That's why many family and friends left this place to go seek better opportunity so them can come back and live a more better life. You can't just live life and make life in Jamaica just like that, you know. It's impossible, you know. It's impossible. Yeah, and worse if you don't have good woman in your life and good people around you, it's even much worse. If you don't have a link or you don't know nobody and nobody don't know you, it's more drastic in a Jamaica. And like certain place where you can go and opportunity is there more than how it's there. So you know opportunity never really there Jamaica. If you ever get some look hustling, me I tell you hand to mouth. Crumbs and scraps you get in a Jamaica. No matter the money no value nothing, you know. And the people them now have no love no them like that, you know. So if you make it a yard, a whole heap of thing you have to go through, a whole heap of challenge there. If you endure, if you go through, if you even see a little light at the end of the tunnel. And me I tell you, if you even do farming, yeah, if you even do farming, people don't want to buy from you, you know. People don't want to buy from you because the competition is there in the farming, and the most big man them I get the opportunity the most than the little farmer them. So when you have farm a little thing, a little food and gun produce and thing, you can feed the community, yes, and feed 1 or 2 people, but and many people go come spend the money with you so you can reproduce a thing and put more and invest in your thing and invest in what you do. Think how many people go support you and show enough of them people want to come take your thing and get no money. And that go on all over the place most of the time when you try to do something. People them want to come take advantage of you. Take your money, take your product, take your whatever and pay you and go around you. I saw them people them now clean-minded and pure-hearted on the island like one time. You see me I say, so it's much difficult for you to make it and survive in Jamaica. Me I tell you, you have to do some illegal thing. Some illegal thing. You have to do some illegal thing. You can't make it in Jamaica so easy if you not do certain things. Me I tell you, no man can't tell me nothing, no woman can't tell me nothing, no government can't tell me nothing. Them know too, that's why enough of them left this place have got to seek better life out there in the world. Because them know it hard. And you have some family member with their foreigner talk about, oh, this and that at Jamaica, and you can, them know for a factor, say it's difficult, and them, that's why them left and gone. Because them know say life out of Jamaica, them know this, but them can chat off their mouth and send cross, be a criticism and everything there towards you. And chat off their mouth. Jamaica not easy, life not easy. Jamaica is a vacation place, you know. When you make money and live and make life and set life at them time, you can live in Jamaica, you know. In a tropical climate and whatever, you know, the natural vibration, you know. And when you have money, you can full joy them thing. If you don't have money, you can't full joy that. Or you go pay your bill, or you go eat food, or you go look good, or you keep your surrounding clean and yourself clean and them thing there. So if you like this type of content, like and subscribe and comment, leave your thoughts in the comment, and we'll keep the movements going forward. Because we have a whole heap of things for burn out and highlight in a place, you know. Big up on yourself.